Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Would you like a little piece of heaven to taste? Well, today I have the recipe for you of a chocolate toffee crunch. It is heaven in a little piece. Let me show you what it looks like and do a taste test. That's the toffee part and that's the chocolate part. And here's my taste test. Oh my goodness gracious me. Let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So we take a pan over the stove top and keep it on medium heat. Now I've taken half a cup of tightly packed butter and dropped it into the pan. Half a cup of a sweetener. I've used a stevia erythritol blend. Now you begin mixing it, and this is the only time you're going to be mixing it till the butter melts. After that, what you're going to be doing is leaving the pan alone. Leaving the pan alone completely. No mixing after this right till when I let you know. So it's going to take anywhere between 6 to 8 minutes, medium heat stove top, and I'm trying to show you exactly what it'll look like. Now I've taken an 8 by 8 inch glass dish or any container and lined it with parchment paper, getting it ready. Here you see it's beginning to bubble. Remember to keep it on medium heat, not more than that. Allow it to bubble and then you'll see the color changing. Don't try to use a spatula in the middle. I'm itching, but there you go. See? No, leave alone. So anywhere between 6 to 8 minutes. Here we go. There, I touched it again, but that's okay. Now I'm trying to show you that the color is changing and it's becoming a light brown color. Now I'm just sprinkling in a little bit of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I've put the stove top off and I'll drop it into the container that's ready. And I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for about 2 hours or until it's really well set. It can take even 3 hours. But till it's well set, just put it in. Now I'm taking half a cup of Lily's sugar-free stevia sweetened chocolate chips. You can use even dark chocolate, and I've melted it in the microwave. And after it's come out of the freezer, I'm putting a layer on top. If you need little more chocolate chips, just use it according to the size of your container. And now it goes back into the refrigerator for another hour or two. And lastly, I'm just sprinkling on some pink Himalayan salt. And look at these little pieces of heaven. Absolutely yummilicious. Yummilicious, yummilicious. So do subscribe to my channel to help me grow. And look at the little doggy and listen to what he says. Thanks for watching. Bye then.